Hi, it's Al here from Holeshot Motorsports in Langley, BC, just doing a follow-up video on the CRF450L by request to listen to what the bike sounds like when it's fired up. So here we go, key on. So that's at idle. And in terms of servicing, this is the manual here for your maintenance schedule, and as you can see, so oil change and oil filter change every 1000 K, and when it comes to your valves and piston, that's due at 32,000 kilometers. And if you want to see the rest of this, you can just hit pause. And for hours, that's engine oil and oil filter every 30 hours, which is twice as long as a regular motocross bike. So there you go. And again, that's Al from Holeshot Motorsports in Langley, BC.